Storm Team, rated most accurate in Central Virginia. Chief Meteorologist Zach Daniel.
And no sales at all on sleds. I bet they ran out very quickly with the storm moving in. Let's get a check on the view outside right now across downtown Richmond. And it is the calm before the storm. And the snow is not too far away now from Richmond. The warnings are up. All counties in pink, a winter storm warning. Everything in blue, a winter weather advisory. Both of these are for snow, but the advisory just covers areas where there's going to be a lesser amount of snow. Travel difficulties up that way, but travel very difficult, if not impossible, in some cases across the winter storm warning. Some precipitation showing up on radar here, but much of this is not reaching the ground until you get farther south and west. You can see across the North Carolina state line here some heavier precipitation down into Greensville County around Emporia, down 58 toward South Hill and continuing over towards South Boston, and got a measured confirmed report of a full inch of snow in just a half an hour. So 2 inches per hour snowfall rate out in Carroll County right along Highway 77. That is some heavy snow falling right now, and all this is going to be overspreading Richmond. So if you're a snow lover, stay up another hour and a half or 2 hours. You're going to start seeing it come down big time across the area. And you can see all the snow that continues back through the Carolinas and into North Georgia. There's the low right now, and it'll be crossing Florida and heading up the East Coast overnight tonight. 2 o'clock in the morning, pretty near Savannah. 7 o'clock in the morning, very near Hatteras. And that will lay down a swath of moderate to heavy snowfall. 20 this morning, 47 this afternoon. Ordinarily, we wouldn't call that a mild day, but the way things have gone this February, it was actually pretty nice out there with some sunshine around. We're down to 37. Key here is the dew point of 18. If it started snowing now, and it would start snowing now, even at 37, but the temperature would drop very quickly because of that dry air, and we would cool down to freezing, so everything would begin to stick very readily. And you can see other temperatures out there generally in the same boat, a little bit above freezing in lots of spots, but again, you can see what happens when the precip kicks in. It's down to 31 in South Hill, 33 over in Danville. And that'll happen everywhere else once that starts falling. All right, lows tonight down into the mid and upper 20s, so no issues with anything really melting here. It's all going to stick except on the treated surfaces, and they were out brining big time this afternoon in preparation for the storm. And your highs tomorrow, low to mid 30s, not a ton of sunshine though, so after we get the snow down, you're not going to see much melting tomorrow at all. Not a lot of wind with this system, but enough, and with the heavy wet nature of the snow, I do think it's going to be wetter than our last event. That may result in some power outages, not big time like we would see with a real classic powerful nor'easter, but there might be some power outages with this one. In the morning, 100% chance of snow at 6 in the morning, a 70% chance by 9 in the morning, and we're done by noon, but it'll be a snowy start to the day, and the remainder of the day, again, just some clouds around and chilly with a high temperature only 34. All right, so the snow will overspread the area tonight. Very heavy by 4 in the morning, still heavy around 7 in the morning. Everything shifts to the east about mid-morning, and we're done in the early afternoon hours. And then on Friday, little upper level disturbance will bring us a few snow showers around the area. Maybe a light accumulation in a few spots, but that's about it. Pretty heavy accumulations for tomorrow. A swath of 6 to 10 laid down south and east of Richmond the way it looks right now. Not everybody's going to get as much as 10, but I think 6 or more looks very likely in a broad area. And in Richmond, 4 and upwards of 7, and then lighter amounts north and west. There's your 7-day forecast. Again, after tomorrow, storm, slight chance Friday, dry and cold Saturday. We get some rain in here by late weekend and early next week.